Here's star pupil number 1. Looks like a pile of crap. I mean, the body's an ASUS case. What the hell? I guess that's means something to some people. I don't really care. ASUS meant something today, but I don't know if it means anything today. Well, at least we got a I don't know, an IDE cable, PATA cable, whatever the hell you want to call it. Looks like we got a little bit of RAM here. What have we got? Some good old DDR RAM. PC. We got some DDR 400. That'll come in handy. No PSU. The heat sink half off the CPU. Whatever. Not sure I care about that. We got a slight GPU in there, so we should be able to load some mobile Facebook with the ability to hook up and watch some movies on a TV or something. Some PS2 ports. You know, some of the basic outputs. Several USBs and a LAN port. Some PCI for some older expansion. My curiosity is, and yes sir, there we go. We got a couple of SATA ports, so I can give them a couple of decent hard drives. I mean, it's not gonna be much, but for a 5 or 6 year old little boy or girl, this would be the favorite thing they ever had. I mean, it's dusty as hell. Look at this. Pretty damn gross, right? Picture of my closet of parts. This is one of them. We've got several others, ladies. Let's get it going.